one more little coat on this, and then we're gonna wipe it clean and see how good it is so far. Sunglasses drive me crazy. It needs another one, but like, and for reference, this is how it started. This is one quick pass. You can tell it's clear now. You can see where it's phasing and hazing up still right there. I gotta hit this spot. Once I get this all cleared out, then we'll be good. It also gets a clear coat too, so it's gonna look a lot better than it does. It's supposed to look hazy when you get done. Another good thing to do is I like to let this dry on there. So it's actually start drying up a little bit, a few minutes. And then I'll take that and it'll come off like 10 times easier. Make sure you take a little bit of water just to get this off of there. It goes clear like that when you wipe it down with water, and then it dries hazy, then you're done. You're wanting that haze like that. You just don't. You just gotta make sure you get all the polishing compounds off. First, dry rag, wipe it down, make sure there's nothing else on there. One quick thin coat. Y'all see what I'm talking about now, huh? That's how you do it right there. We'll let that dry for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna put another coat on it. Just for reference though, here you go. Some people are, I cut the live short earlier, so when I was letting it dry and stuff, but just for reference, that's what it looks like. It looked like that. It also looked like this headlight right here, before and after. You can definitely see the difference. Now we're gonna go over this one. That's clear. So that's it right there. We're about to find out. That's the difference. That's how you do it right there. That motherfucker's shining. See the reflection and shit. Yeah, that's where it's at. We'll let that sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll spray another coat on it. Kind of debating on whether I should do a coat on the other side of the other one. I guess $23 if y'all want to do this.